Hey there, welcome back to FrequencyClick, where we help you to build and grow your online business. My name is Ivan. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most critical aspects of your online business, creating engaging content. Then, before starting, if it's not already done, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for our upcoming videos. I appreciate you. If you want to build a loyal community around your brand, then you need to create content that resonates with your audience. So in this video, I'm going to share 7 tips and advice on how to create engaging content for your online business, and also explain with examples why quality content is essential for building an online community. Make sure to stay till the end. Know your audience. The first and foremost tip to create engaging content is to know your audience. You need to know who your target audience is, what their interests are, and what type of content they like to consume. Once you know your audience, you can tailor your content to their interests and create content that resonates with them. Be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to creating engaging content. You need to publish content regularly so that your audience knows when to expect new content from you. This will also help you to build a loyal community around your brand. Use visuals. Visuals are a powerful tool when it comes to creating engaging content. Use images, videos, infographics, and other visual aids to make your content more appealing to your audience. Visuals help to break up the text and make your content more readable and shareable. Keep it simple. When it comes to creating engaging content, simplicity is key. Avoid using jargon or complex language that your audience may not understand. Keep your content simple, concise, and easy to understand. Tell a story. People love stories, and storytelling is a great way to create engaging content. Use stories to illustrate your points, share your experiences, and connect with your audience on a personal level. Stories help to make your content more relatable and memorable. Use social media. Social media is a powerful tool when it comes to creating engaging content. Use social media platforms to promote your content, interact with your audience, and build a community around your brand. Social media also provides valuable feedback and insight into what type of content your audience likes to consume. Be authentic. Finally, to create engaging content, you need to be authentic. Don't try to be something you're not, and don't try to please everyone. Be true to yourself and your brand, and create content that reflects your values and personality. There you have it, 7 tips to create engaging content for your online business. If you find this helpful, please smash the like button and don't hesitate to share it to someone who needs this. Also, if you have any other tips, suggestions, or questions, leave them in the comments section below. Now, let's talk about why quality content is essential for building an online community. Quality content helps to establish your brand as an authority in your niche. When you create high quality content, you're providing value to your audience and positioning yourself as an expert in your field. Quality content also helps to build trust with your audience. When you consistently create valuable content, your audience will begin to trust you and see you as a reliable source of information. This trust is essential for building a loyal community around your brand. Let me give you an example of a brand that has used quality content to build an online community. Moz. Moz is a company that provides search engine optimization tools and resources for digital marketers. They have a blog where they regularly publish high quality content on SEO, social media, and other digital marketing topics. Their blog has become a go-to resource for digital marketers, and they have built a loyal community around their brand. Another example of a brand that has used quality content to build an online community is HubSpot. HubSpot is a company that provides marketing, sales, and customer service software. They have a blog where they regularly publish high-quality content on marketing, sales, customer service, and other related topics. They also offer free resources like ebooks, templates, and courses which provide value to their audience. Their content has helped to establish them as thought leaders in their industry and build a community of loyal customers around their brand. Creating engaging content is essential for building a loyal community around your online business. By knowing your audience, being consistent, using visuals, keeping it simple, telling a story, using social media, and being authentic, you can create content that resonates with your audience and helps to establish your brand as an authority in your niche. Remember, quality content is not only valuable to your audience, but also helps to build trust and loyalty, which are essential for the long-term success of your online business. So go ahead and start creating engaging content that your audience will love, and you'll see your online community grow in no time. If you are motivated, ready to put in the effort to hard work, and you really want to learn step by step how to use content creation and make passive income online, I only have one last thing for you to do. Click on the link in the description of this video. You will get access to a totally free video of me. I'm talking a bit about my story and something really incredible I discovered on the internet a couple of years ago. It blew my mind, and I am still learning every day since I jumped into a challenge that helped me come out of my comfort zone. Finally, there are affiliate links in this post, meaning at no additional cost to you, I will be compensated if you click through and take action. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.